Hello, my name is Amanda. I'm a family link worker for Dorset Youth Association, and within my role I like to support families with positive activities. This activity is very festive. It's to feed the birds in a garden, and these are bird feeders that I have made with fir cones. I've put a string on a fir cone. I have melted lard, half a block of lard in a saucepan, and then added wild bird seed. And obviously once the lard has melted, I added the bird seed, and now it's starting to go off. I've then covered these fir cones with the bird seed, and they then need to go in the fridge for an hour to harden off. And then they can be hung in the garden for a festive treat for the birds over the Christmas period. Because obviously this time of year there's not a lot of seeds and berries and things for the birds to eat, so they do rely on the additional foods that we can give them. It's also fun for families to sit in the garden or even out on walks and identify all the different birds. This bird identification sheet I've printed off from the learning resources, and there's lots of birds on there that you can see in your garden or out in the parks, out on walks, and it's just a fun thing to do, and it gives the children and young people knowledge and understanding of the world. It supports them with, learning about what animals and what birds and things eat, and identifying all the different seeds as well. There's lots of sunflowers in here too. But it makes us think about the wildlife that's around us, and looking after them and making sure that they're there and they're all keeping happy and healthy. And it's just a fun thing to do with a family. And you will really benefit from seeing all these birds come into your garden and then identifying them. And it's just a great activity to do as a family. And I hope you enjoy and you see lots of birds come into your garden and feast on your festive pine cones. Bye-bye.